one day under the tree. Today we shall learn how to round off numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000 and the application of rounding the numbers. Rahul, Guru Drona was a great and noble man. He used to donate food to sages and the poor. With this, they had to prepare food for many people.
Children, as I had told you earlier, many sages will be coming here to perform a yagna. We need to serve them food after the yagna. So all of you are needed to help in cooking the food.
Guruji, exactly how many people will we be serving?
We do not know exactly how many people we will be serving. Though I have invited 170 sages in person. Some of them may not come, or some sages may bring others along with them. So we will round off to 200 people. So prepare for nearly 200 plates.
Guruji, what does rounding off mean?
I was about to teach you rounding off the numbers in the next class, but it seems you will have to learn about it now. Look at the numbers on the number line. Let us choose the number 12. You can notice that 12 is closer to 10 than 20. So 12 is rounded off to 10, while considering the nearest 10. Now, if we choose 18, it is closer to 20 than it is from 10. So 18 is rounded off to 20, while considering the nearest 10. Now, on a number line between 130 to 140, let us mark the numbers 131 and 137. We notice that 131 is closer to 130 than 140. So 131 is rounded off to 130 while considering the nearest 10. We notice that 137 is closer to 140 than to 130. So 137 is rounded off to 140 while considering the nearest 10. Now let us round off numbers to the nearest 100. On a number line between 600 to 700, mark the number 636. How do we round it off to the nearest 100?
636 will be rounded off to 640.
No, Arjun, you have rounded off to the nearest 10. Let us round it off to the nearest 100. Let us mark 600 to 700 on number line. Now we can see that while considering nearest 100, 636 lies closer to 600 than to 700. So 636 is rounded off to 600. Now let us mark 667 on the number line. We can see that while considering the nearest 100, 667 lies closer to 700 than from 600. So 667 is rounded off to 700. Where does 1527 lie?
It lies between 1500 and 1600.
Let us mark 1500 to 1600 on number line. Now we can see that while considering nearest 100, 1527 lies closer to 1500 than 1600. So 1527 is rounded off to 1500. Let us learn about rounding off to the nearest 1000. First, let us mark the number 7286 on a number line between 7000 and 8000. Now we can see that while considering nearest thousand, 7,286 lies closer to 7,000 than 8,000. So 7,286 is rounded off down to 7,000. Where does 7,668 lie?
It lies between 7,000 and 8,000.
Let us mark 7,668 on number line. Now we can see that while considering nearest thousand, 7,668 lies closer to 8,000. So it is rounded off up to 8,000. If the cost of ghee is rupees 168 per kg, what amount will be taken rounded to nearest 10?
168 lies between 160 and 170. It is closer to 170. So the rounded off amount to nearest 10 is rupees 170.
If the cost of flowers is rupees 2,356, what amount will be taken rounded to nearest 100?
2,356 lies between 2,300 and 2,400. It is closer to 2,400. So the rounded off amount to nearest 100 is rupees 2,400.
The yagna was a success, and all the sages who attended the yagna were served food, and everybody ate to their heart's content.
Today's yagna was very successful, and the gods will be pleased with us and bless us.
Guruji, how many sages attended the yagna?
A total of 187 sages attended the yagna. Even though some of the sages I invited did not attend the yagna, some sages from the nearby villages who heard of the yagna being performed came to take part. If we had prepared food only for 170 people, we could not have served everybody. That is why I rounded off 170 to the nearest 100, 200.
Today we learned how to round off numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1,000 and application of rounding the numbers. Hope today you understood the importance of rounding off numbers.
Yes, it was really helpful. Thank you, friend. It is getting dark. It is time to say bye.
Good night, Rahul.